Hello and welcome to Your World This Week, the weekly roundup for all the top news stories of the week. The top news stories this week are:
US President Donald Trump on Thursday voiced firm optimism about securing a new trade agreement with the European Union before the current 90-day suspension on mutual tariffs comes to an end. There will be a trade deal, 100%, Trump told reporters during a working lunch at the White House with Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni. Why would you think there won't be? Of course there'll be a trade deal. They are very, very eager to strike one. We are going to make it happen. I fully expect it, but it will be a fair deal, he emphasized, according to CNN. Time magazine's 2025 edition of its 100 most influential people list features global heavyweights such as US President Donald Trump and Tesla CEO Elon Musk, but notably omits any Indian personalities, a surprising shift given India's regular representation in the past years. In 2024, Indian actor Alia Bhatt and Olympian wrestler Sakshi Malik had earned spots on the list. However, this year's edition sees no Indian inclusion. Among the distinguished names featured in the leaders category this year are UK Prime Minister Claire Starmer, Nobel laureate Mohammad Yunus, and US Vice President J.D. Vance. US Vice President J.D. Vance is set to embark on a week-long visit to India beginning April 18th, a move that highlights the growing strategic and economic ties between the two nations amid ongoing trade discussions. Accompanied by his wife Usha and their 3 children, Ivan, Vivek and Mirabel, Vice President Vance's itinerary includes both official engagements and cultural experiences. The family is scheduled to visit New Delhi, Jaipur and Agra during the trip. A high-profile meeting with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on the agenda, with discussions expected to center around bilateral trade, regional security collaboration, and broader geopolitical issues. The all-female Blue Origin space crew has successfully returned to Earth following their journey to space on April 14th. The group included singer Katy Perry, television host Gayle King, Jeff Bezos' fiancée Lauren Sanchez, former NASA rocket scientist Aisha Bowe, civil rights activist Amanda Nguyen, and film producer Kerry-Ann Flynn. The crew traveled beyond the Earth's atmosphere, reaching the Kármán line 62 miles above the surface, and experienced approximately 4 minutes in space. Upon landing, both Katy Perry and Gayle King kissed the ground in an emotional display of relief and gratitude. Yuzvendra Chahal etched his name into Indian Premier League history books on April 15th, becoming the first bowler ever to claim 3 separate 4-wicket hauls against the same franchisee. Playing for the Punjab Kings in the 31st match of the IPL 2025 at the Maharaja Yadavindra Singh International Cricket Stadium in Mulanpur, Chahal delivered a stunning performance, finishing with figures of 4 for 28 in 4 overs against the Kolkata Knight Riders. This marks Chahal's 8th 4-wicket haul in his IPL career, allowing him to equal West Indian spinner Sunil Narayan's record of the most such achievements in the league's history.